Martin here, and welcome to the video service that unlocks and reveals the hidden value in your SAP system. So we know the best way is by doing so. In this case, in this video in particular, we're going to explore the touchstone transaction for planners and buyers. It's called the stock requirements list. This transaction is so powerful because it's jumping off point for all planning, procurement, and other related activities. And it's all to date as of the moment you entered it and hit the refresh button. So we know it's real time. It's telling us what's going on in our supply chain. So Christy, how about you share a little bit more about these specific details on the stock requirements list?
Hi, Martin. Yes, I think we should. There are so many great tools to make a planner or buyer's life easier that exist embedded in the workspace that's offered in MD04. I can't wait to walk you through a few of them. We're going to explore some of the options for how to set up your workspace. We'll hit on some of the places you can easily get to right from the stock requirements list, and I'll highlight the periodic totals. We'll also talk about how those can be useful, and we'll go into some of the options to dig deeper into the planning situation for discussion and decision making. Today will be the highlights, and then we will have videos that will dive deeper into some of these features in detail. Let's get into it. Let's dig into some of these hidden gems in the stock requirements list. So you can see here I am in MD04, and I've just pulled up a stock situation for this elephant phone holder in the color blue. And I'm just looking to see here what's happening with this material. And what I wanted to do today is point out some of the things that you may or may not be aware of in terms of how to set up your stock requirements list to meet your needs. The first is this overview tree. So as we're going through and we're navigating from material to material, this actually will build out the work list for us. So it's like the breadcrumbs of where we have been. And if you've done something like gone through and searched for MRP elements or exception messages from your exception monitor, you see your entire work list here. But if you're paying attention as you go through and you navigate from one plant to another or from one material to another, you'll actually see this continue to build out. And one of the things that's important to know is that there's actually additional information here that's just kind of sitting in the back in terms of descriptions and things.